Where do you guys think an AI imagery? Where are you guys in that? So some knowledge, you've been playing with it, because most of you, if you're showing up to this, you probably want to get better at it. So before we get started in taking from Molly, who's a lot of our mentors, let's all do a really quick gratitude race. So let's get started. Do you have a paid account or a free account for ChatGPT? Just so I can have an understanding. And I would say it is worth having a paid account with ChatGPT. We definitely need ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to be the brains of our operation, and this custom GPT is going to help us with the prompting that we're going to take into the other image makers. And then, does everybody have Gemini from Google? And let me know, do you have a paid account or a free account in that? So paid Gemini, I'm loving my Gemini. I have an Ultra account. So I do a lot of video work. Today, I'm going to lightly touch on it near the end of this, but this is going to be the first of classes that will build on each other. I will make an image, and many times I'll make the first image in either Midjourney or Nano Banana. And then I take that over into Gemini, into VO3, and then I will make my videos from that. And we're going to be in ChatGPT, we're going to be in Gemini, and we're going to be in Midjourney. Can I see in the chat who has a Midjourney account? Because Midjourney is going to give us some amazing images.